and it feeds its little babies at the bottom.
Oh, it drops the coin right in. It's so cute.
Treasure. So treasure hunting is our current job at the moment. Well, just woke up. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. We have to get the car trailer loaded up and find some straps, and we're gonna go pick up some stuff from an auction. All right, so I got the trailer hooked up and I got some furniture blankets, and we are off to an auction. I sold my 4-post hoist, and I sold it to the guy with my trailer so he could take and just leave it on the trailer to take it home and set it up. However, he lives in Cedar Rapids, and that trailer's not really that roadworthy, so we put it onto a trailer for him to take it. So I got mine to go pick up the trailer, and we're gonna fill it with auction stuff.
On our way to pick up some auction things and a trailer. I just wanted to have the camera on me because I think I look cute today. Oh, hello. Good morning and happy Saturday.
Well, so I got the trailer loaded up back there, but we were quite late for picking up our stuff. We're supposed to be there by
11:30. It's 11:20. We're not late at all.
We're not at 8 o'clock like others. Anyway, we're not late at all. Well, we just made it to the auction spot to pick up our stuff, and yeah, wait to see how much we actually got. I think we're gonna have this entire truck and trailer filled. Well, in my rush to get home here, we had one come loose here. That was pretty scary. It was, I noticed it was hanging off like this far, and then the last bump we just hit, it slid way out. So I'm gonna get this restrapped in here. All right, well, I got her locked back down. We only got about 15, 20 more miles left to make it home. So looks like everything's gonna make it. But yeah, we completely filled up the trailer. This is the trailer I had to get that my hoist was on. But then all this stuff is what we got from the auction. So we'll go through it a little better when I get home with it. But we were super late to get there, so we didn't want to waste our time taking video of it. Figured right now, since it almost fell off, it's a good thing to take a video of. Well, we just made it back with our load of furniture here. Looks like everything's still on. We actually have already sold this because she took some pictures and posted some stuff on the way home. And pretty sure this wicker basket is also sold with just the pictures that we posted on the way home. So yeah, my other job of reselling is what we really do for income now since we sold our building. We haven't actually been doing anything for the last probably 7 months. We've just been enjoying life. So we have to get back to reselling, and with the garage getting close to being done, I had enough room to put this stuff in there, and we had to drive that way anyway for this trailer. So it worked out really good that we picked up all this furniture, and basically this will pay for my gas, and the time that we spent today will make a decent little bit off of some of the things that we got. An entire truckload of just some pretty cool lamps, all kinds of different glass pieces, some Christmas stuff. Yeah, auctioning is really fun. It's super addicting though too, because that's why everything looks the way it looks around here, because hey, look, I could buy it. You know, who doesn't need a hospital bed? So, you know, I have this adjustable height hospital bed here that I think I'm going to turn into a workbench because it's super sturdy. But otherwise, I was just going to recycle it. I got it cheap enough. So, awesome. I got to get some food in me because this turned into a long day.
Sure.
So part of the fun about auctioning is we get to find treasure. And so
That's why I had to buy it.
check out this bank that we got.
It's in that box.
Pull up the price. So
Did I Google that? To eBay. What?
What? Oh, these are the sold ones. This is in the last like month and a half. These 3 sold.
So in the last month, the same exact one, somebody got on an auction with bids, paid $225 or $255 for it plus shipping. So they're currently for sale for around $500. So that's why auctioning's so much fun.
About the screw doesn't quite fit right,
but yeah, they're
$425, $375, $550.
All because I wanted a mystery box.
Yeah, show the picture of what it actually was. We thought it was a rat.
Oh no, I'm not
Hang on,
gonna Google.
we'll find it.
Boop. It's right here.
So
This was
I
what
don't know.
made
This
me.
is probably not the best way to do it.
This was
but-
what made me want to.
Here, don't move, don't move. So we couldn't really tell what the picture was,
Looks
and
like
it
a
kind
rat.
of looks like a rat or a bat.
Or a cat, like an upside down
Well,
cat.
It did not look like an eagle or a bank, but it is a mechanical bank. Oh, he'll show you how it works. You put a coin in its mouth, and it feeds its little babies at the bottom.
Oh, it drops the coin right in. It's so cute.
Treasure. So treasure hunting is our current job at the moment. So score. Except for the problem is then when we find these awesome treasures like this,
We want to keep it.
we walk in the house and our kids call dibs on it immediately. Everything cool that's worth something gets set on a shelf and we don't even get to sell.
And that way, someday, they'll get to sell it when they're old.
Yeah.